You hit the road to clear your mind, but once again, reckless drivers are everywhere. It's frustrating, and sometimes even dangerous. Welcome back to another episode of Idiots on the Road. Let's dive into today's chaos and see what unfolds. Two bikers cruising in peace, until a supermarket license driver comes along and ruins everything. Chaos ensues.
What the f? Oh! What the?
The biker nearly collided with a blue car that suddenly appeared. Instead of staying calm, he started cursing. Instant anger can lead to dangerous outcomes. Who do you think is at fault?
No! Go back! You see it out there? There's a sign! Fucking read it, you prick! Cough, you wanker!
While everything was going well, a blind driver jumped in front of the engine. The momentary inattention could have led to a complete disaster. The reaction of an engine in such a situation is a matter of curiosity.
What the f*** are you doing? What the f***? What are you doing? What's wrong with you?
I don't know why, but I really think some drivers get their licenses from butchers. Why do you think a person doesn't use their mirrors?
Hey! Are you f***ing kidding me? Are you not looking? Hey! Are you not f***ing looking? Look with your f***ing eyes!
It is not clear exactly what is happening in the video, but I think the biker is angry at this slow Subaru driver, and the biker's anger is not abating.
Hey! You piece of Hey, put the phone down, you Put the phone down, you piece of
Now you see the Eggman in front of you. The Eggman has dedicated his life to punishing drivers who violate the rules. The biker in this video is doing a pretty ridiculous move. The car driver is moving in the right lane, but the biker seems too drunk to understand what's going on.
You're driving like you almost hit me and you're on your phone. What do you mean do I think I'm bad? You're trying to show out in front of your girl, but you're a hazard to everyone on the road. Pull over and do something then.
The life of a motorcyclist can sometimes be this cheap. This biker is chasing and catching a woman who overtook him with a car in a small street.
You do understand I'm on a motorcycle, right? I didn't stop on the middle of the road. You should be looking at my tail light. Exactly. I got you recorded anyway, so it's all good. Alright, yeah, I got you recorded. Thanks, I got your license plate too.
While the discussion is over, another woman comes and a discussion arises again. I'm sure the biker regrets arguing with these women.
I just bought this bike like 4 days ago.
You don't stop in the middle of the road.
I didn't stop in the middle of the road.
If I would have hit your ass, I wouldn't have given a fuck. You don't stop in the middle of the road.
I didn't stop in the middle of the road.
If I have kids in my car or not, that's real rude. And real
it don't matter.
Yes,
I'm on a motorcycle.
It don't matter. You don't stop in the middle of the road.
I didn't stop in the middle of the road. I was pulling off to the
No,
side.
you did not. You were clearly in the middle of the road.
Alright, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Don't even worry about it.
Where's your license plate? So you don't have no license plate on here?
When you buy a motorcycle, you have 30 days.
What the police say, okay?
That's cool. I don't care.
I know.
You have 30. My dad's a Dallas County sheriff, so you can't sit here and tell me what I know.
Then that's dumb. You don't know no better.
Okay. It's cool.
Yeah, it is cool.
I got you recorded anyway.
beautiful Sunday, the biker wants to do a little off-roading, but a lively biker who thinks he is the owner of the forest stops him and gets into an endless argument.
A co to, prywatny teren jest?
Tak!
Tak?
To jest państwowe, kurwa! Możesz tu jeździć?
A ty możesz tu łowić?
Mogę łowić!
No to łów,
No!
a ja mogę jeździć.
Proszę mnie tu nie jeździć!
No i się nie drzyj, kolego, bo nie jesteś tutaj właścicielem. Słucham?
Tak, to zaraz zadzwonię.
To dzwoń.
No! Potem przykazem, kurwa, ze straży, kurwa, rybacznej.
To dzwoń.
No!
Zrobiłem ci coś?
Nie wiesz, że łowię!
Ale zrobiłem ci coś?
Ale widzisz, że łowię!
Dobrze,
No.
przejechałem cię.
To proszę mnie odjechać stąd!
Odjadę, ale nie. Proszę bardziej mniej agresywnie. Bo ja nie jestem tutaj, żeś co, bić mnie chcesz?
Nie piszę się, kurwa, nie ma tego i już!
Zatrzymałem się czy nie? Zatrzymałem się chyba, nie? Tu masz kamerę, zobacz, tu masz kamerę.
No i dobrze!
No,
Nie będziesz też mnie tu jeździć, jak jedziesz, kurwa, a nie człowieku,
wyskakujesz agresywnie.
I już! Z tej kamery też można, kurwa, zdjąć!
Słucham?
Z kamery też można, kurwa, zgrać teraz, jak żeś popierdalał tutaj!
A tu jakiś zakaz jest?
Nie jest zakaz, ale
No
chyba
właśnie.
dzieci są małe, kurwa!
Ale dobrze, zatrzymałem się. Powiedz człowieku, czy ci zatrzymałem się, czy nie? Przecież zatrzymałem się, to po co się drzesz?
Gdybym nie wyszedł, to by się chuja zatrzymał!
Tak, samochodu nie widziałem. Do widzenia. Miłego dnia.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars.